Protect your videos with VideoGuard. VideoGuard provides the most secure video protection solutions. Copy-protected videos are safe from copy, screen capture, sharing and unauthorized distribution. Learning to use VideoGuard lock software. What is VideoGuard? VideoGuard is a software to prevent illegal copying of educational products, which has been created using our experience in software security. We have boldly entered the world arena by presenting VideoGuard. C# Xamarin, XAML WPF, PHP, Java, JavaScript, JSON, HTML, CSS, MySQL, Ajax, programming languages have been used to complete VideoGuard software project. A lot of time has been spent on researching, developing and testing VideoGuard. In order to have the best performance in terms of security and execution on different devices with different Windows and Android operating systems. While it can be said that no locking software can ever claim 100% security, the VideoGuard can stand from hackers to a great extent. Just for information, to get acquainted with a small part of the performance algorithm of video locked with VideoGuard, we state that the video data is flipped once during the locking process. It is then broken into 1-minute segments and each minute of video is encrypted with a different method. All video formats are acceptable and lockable. When playing encrypted pieces, video decrypt and play from RAM. Only 1 minute of video is uploaded to RAM at a time. These videos can only be played by the dedicated video player. Dedicated player requires its own serial number to activate each package. In this way, only the person who has the serial number related to the package can use the product in his personal device. Because each device has its own hardware characteristics, a product cannot be shared and used on two different devices. The number of times for use of each serial number in customer panel can be set. Locked files can be sold on any platform. This means that you can use the Internet, CD, DVD, USB disk, Telegram, etc. to transfer videos to your customers. Encrypted videos will have the lowest possible size and the highest quality, which is very close to the original video quality, after being re-encoded. Dedicated player uses the lowest percentage of system resources such as RAM and CPU for playback and does not require any special software or hardware prerequisites to run. As a result, users will not have any problems playing movies. Both Windows and Android player software can play videos slow and fast at different speeds at different rates. For the Android version, use the same video as for the Windows version. No need to provide a separate file. Videos with low motion, such as PowerPoint movies and movies with high motion, can play without loss of quality. To use the lock-in auto-run software, you can create a link directly to the locked video files. Just tell the user to install dedicated player at the beginning of auto-run. VideoGuard not mention the VideoGuard brand name anywhere in video player. VideoGuard also allows you to personally change the title and logo of the player and even create a personal setup for it. VideoGuard will not charge you any annual fee for the panel. How to purchase locking panel and serial numbers. In the first step, to use VideoGuard, you must register in order section of the video-protect.net website. The cost of purchasing panel with at least 100 serial numbers will be charged to you first. You will automatically receive discount for purchasing more than 100 serial number. By entering requested serial number count and checking the desired facilities, the cost will be calculated for you. As soon as you buy, you will receive the serials and the locking software will be available to you inside the panel. Anti-screen record. Your videos will not be recorded by desktop video recording software during playback. In this way, after recording, the black screen will be recorded. Anti-virtual machine. The player software will not run in the virtual machine. Sometimes people activate packages on a virtual machine and make a copy of that virtual operating system and share it. Watermark serial number. Even if someone record the desktop using a mobile phone, the person's serial number on the screen rotates and you can identify them. It is recommended that if you can write down your customer information before the sale, to be aware of who you have sold each serial in case of violation. Ability to disable devices. You can disable the client device after activation so that it can no longer use the product. Anti-debug. As long as the player is running malicious software that intends to debug, hack and exploit will be blocked. After completing the purchase process, you will receive the serials and you can log into panel. If you buy several panels for your products, by entering the customer panel, the usage statistics of the panels. The percentage of the number of used serials can be seen in general and separately. By searching for a specific serials, you can view the user information and try to block his access. To change the number of times to use the serials of each panel, click on the panel name and select the amount of 1 up to 3 devices on the right side from drop-down box. Changes will be applied to all serials in that panel. If you have just one panel, you can use the panel serials for locking several packages. Panel serials can be used jointly for packages and it does not matter which serial you use for which package. If your packages have a huge price difference, it is not advisable to use the serials of a panel together. For example, you have 3 products. The first and second products are priced at $100. You lock these 2 products with the same serials of a panel. Your third product is priced at $500. If you use the same panel as before to lock the third product, some user may activate the third package using the first product serial. By purchasing the new panel, your first and second product serial will not activate the third package. You can buy a new panel from the Create New Panel part. If you do not want to create a new panel, to buy more serials, enter the Buy More Serial section and select the name of the panel you want to buy serial. When purchasing or adding serials, after returning from the payment page, serials will be displayed on browser, which can be printed and copied in Word. In Download section, you can download software for yourself and users. VideoGuard Encryptor will encrypt your videos. .NET Framework 6.0 required to run encryptor on your device. Download and install it. Actual Installer is a software that you can use to completely customize the dedicated player, add your brand name and logo on the player. Video Player is a dedicated player software, which we will teach you how to customize it by Actual Installer. Of course, the personalization stage is optional. Users do not need to install any prerequisites such as .NET Framework to use Video Player. Android APK is a version of dedicated player that can be installed on Android. After installing Video Encryptor software, connect your system to the Internet to identify the panel. Enter your panel name and click Connect. Once connected, The panel locking feature will be displayed as a tick. Click the Browse button and select your video. Select a title for the player title section. This title is displayed at the top of the player when playing a video. Note the package name option. Videos that are locked with the same package name will all be unlocked with one serial. If one of them is activated, the rest will be opened without the need to enter a new serial. But if you lock the videos with a different package name, each will ask separate serial number to unlock. Videos will be converted to the highest quality and lowest possible size. The conversion time depends on the size and bitrate of the original video. But on average, it takes about 20 to 30 minutes to encode a 1-hour movie. Users can activate if their device is connected to the Internet. Activation is done directly by entering the serial number. If their device is not connected to Internet, the website address of video-protect.net will be displayed for them so that they can activate it offline by visiting the site activation section. Stay tuned for more personalized player customization. This step is optional. First, install the player on your system. Install the Actual Installer Pro program from the Customer Panel Download section. Enter the address of the dedicated player installation location. Click the Next button and fill in the options as desired. In the General section, select the Output section of the player icon. At this stage, in order to open the dedicated player directly by double-clicking on the videos after installation, 1. Open Register section. 2. Click Add. 3. In the Extension field, enter the phrase DAT, and then click OK. 4. Click the Run button. Your personal player is now ready. If you have any questions, you can contact us via WhatsApp, Telegram or contact form inside the customer panel. Thank you.